Hey everybody, we are on the larger bench. This is a long box. How long is it? "48" hooked in there. 48 inches. This is multiple orders. VB Industrial Supply, Ventura, California. So let's open this up. Yeah, post office kind of manhandled it there. I've seen a couple of these, and I've never had my hands on one. So, oop, stuff's already falling out. Chips are already falling out. Poor packing. Poor handling. Okay, D2716. Looks like it's got a coating over that window. But that's not the one I was interested in. Let's see what's in. What in the hell? Okay. Well, you guys seen that, right? Rolled up in paper. Yeah, they could have cut the box down. Probably would have saved them some in shipping too. But there's some 2616. Make sure there's nothing in that. Okay, I don't see anything else in here. Try it from the other end. Yeah, gonna have to reach my hand all the way up in there. Like impregnating a cow. That's it. Awful big box for small amount of chips, but that don't look like it's everything. I'm gonna have to track this because that's definitely not everything. Yes, we are missing stuff. 50 new. Okay, this is what was supposed to have been in there. You guys watched it. These guys are really getting horrible. We're definitely missing some devices. I don't think anything was in there. Oop. Yes, we're not missing. Check your... Yes, don't do that, people. And you can't even read that. That was scrap. Okay. Okay, that's the money. That's the money. These ones here were just... buy them because there's a couple in here that I wanted, but I've never laid my hands on one, and I wanted to check it out. It's a 2616. Okay, so that's a 2716. Pins are all smashed up on those. God, why did they have to pack this so crappy? You know, they could have packed it better. Yes, there it is, 2616. These just were odd EPROMs. That's a 2616. Looks like it's got paint over the window. But I don't know what a 2616 is. I tried searching to figure out what it is. So how many of these 2616s did I get? That's a 2716. It's got a mask over that window also. Yeah, this really pisses me off that they would pack it so crappy. 2616, 2616, 27128. That's 2716. I just have not seen it with mask over the windows. 2716. That's another 2616. I'm going to try to read these as a 2716. So that's a 2716. It's another 2616, but the pins are all smashed. It's 2716. I got a straightener. I'll fix them. Another 2616. 2716. So if any of you guys know what a 2616 is, should have been. That's another 2616. I really hate these when they pack them like crap. 2716. So I'm not sure if that's an epoxy over the top. And this is another 2616 with smashed pins. Really hate it when pens get bent out of shape like this, but especially on 2616s, which you don't see often at all. So I'm gonna have to figure out. Yeah, it's like they put an epoxy over the window is what it's looking like. I don't know if it's showing on the camera or not, but this one here, you can see they painted it. Let's see, they painted over the windows. And that's just the standard AM 27128. AM 27128. I was running low on these. I only had a few left. AM 27128. 27128. That's another 2616. These are just the random. Can't read that one. They put the 8531YP as the part number. So I think these are all 27128s. It's just a mix. So at least they came in tubes. So yeah, whenever I'm sourcing chips for somebody, I always look, if I buy from somebody, I'll always look through their other stuff and see what they have. And that's where I found these 2616s. The project for the customer, he needed these here. It's supposed to be 50 of those. Little tiny chips. These are an AT24C512. But these here, these are going to be the interesting ones. I will try to read that as a 2716. And hopefully we can get that epoxy off to be able to erase them. We shall see. So we'll catch y'all later.